In this video, I'm going to show you how to photograph this beautiful looking effect with just one light and a diffuser. So without further ado, let's get started. I know photographing glass or reflective items can really be difficult, especially when you don't understand the importance of diffuser to product photography. So today I'm just going to show you how to create this very nice looking effect using just one light and a diffuser. So the very first thing you need to know about this is diffuser is really important, and the bigger the diffuser, the better it is. And I'm going to be using this, plastic diffuser and also a softbox. So I'm going to give a space right now. So we're going to be using this Godox softbox, and also the light I'm using is my AD200 Pro, which is really nice, a Godox product. So the first thing I want you to know is that my light is set to 1/8 power, and also my shutter speed is set to 1/100 of a seconds, ISO 100, and my aperture is set to f22 because it's a macro lens. I'm using Nikon D800 and also a 105mm f2.8. So we have our glass with water. You can put any color and all of that. Then we have our diffuser, which is really big, and our light is at the back of the diffuser. It also has another diffuser layer. I didn't have the second diffuser because this is thick already. And what we want to do is just to shoot through from here down into here, and it's going to, light it up. And because there is a diffuser in it, it's going to control the brightness and make it softer so that our glass can be more visible. And that's just the whole thing. So I'm going to go to the back of the camera right now. To do that, you may not see me, but I'm going to show you the after effect. So let's get to it. So another thing I want you to get to know is that I use acrylic glass, which is really nice for this kind of thing, and I added a black foam board underneath to give me that dark effect, which is really good. And that is really the basic thing you need to know. So if you really want to do more on it, you can add some colors to make it colorful and all of that, and that's just the basic way to photograph this kind of beautiful looking picture. So if you love this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out for our edits to get a beautiful contrast out of this picture in my next video. See you some other time. Bye for now.